3 very tight and challenging bolts made easy with this amtech tool. This is no ordinary ratchet. With multiple extension levels and torque that borders on ridiculous, I'm showing how this thing powers up leverage to overcome extreme tightness. These bolts, 3 beasts that thought they owned the place, only to be thrown out by this bouncer of a weapon. There aren't many bolts that can defeat this thing. Once it's extended, it commands attention, torque that borders on absurd, leverage that rewrites the rules, and when its job's done, it snaps back into a compact, everyday sized ratchet like nothing ever happened. No fuss, no drama, just quiet domination. That's what makes this tool special. It doesn't just remove the bolts, it humbles them. With job satisfaction drawing to a close, I encourage you to click the affiliate link in the description and grab one for yourself. It supports the channel and it costs you nothing extra. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other links for the full story.